you can't bend hard rock. Hard rock, if you try to bend it, will break. But you can bend mud. And yet we find places all over the world with massive folding of these layers without any breaking whatsoever. You can see this at the Grand Canyon. You can also get down in Southern California and see it near the Salton Sea. But, well, if you think about it, you see it all over the world. You see folded layers. For instance, well, let's just go up to British Columbia, Alberta, Canada. We actually have magnificent total mountains that are folded. The same thing is true. There's a place in western Maryland that I drive through occasionally where actually the layers bend this way, but the road goes that way. So we find inconsistencies with the evolutionary story. What we see here is rapid folding of wet mud layers after a worldwide flood.